Welcome back guys. So in the previous video I had done a project on Django. It used to display the live data from a model using Ajax. So in this video what we'll do is we'll just put some update and delete button, as I've got some comment regarding that. So what I'll do is I'll start with inserting the buttons over here in this set, that is update and delete button. So let's get started. So let's insert some two buttons. So what I'll do is I'll go to Bootstrap, since I'm already using Bootstrap file. So this I won't be designing much in this because I just want to show the background, as in the only the functional part of it. I won't go deep into the design and all. I'll just make a simple design. I just want buttons, so I type in buttons, and for the update button I'll take info blue color. Let's go and just create another table. So before that what I'll do is I'll create two more columns.
Another one.
Okay, so first one what I'll do is I'll put an update button in that. So okay, that is equal to, I'll do some, what will name it as, maybe update thing. Update. Sorry, update user. Update user slash the username. So in order to change the particular result, what we'll need is the user ID. So how to get the user ID is, just go here, just copy this thing and put it over here. Just ignore the background noise if you hear any. I try to reduce the noise as much as possible. So just close this, this and that. So okay, this was it. So in order to put the closing, close the A tag, and inside that I'll put a button. That is this one, and this will be state. Put this is single quote. Let's see if this is working. Yes, I get an update button with the user ID 3. You can show that in the URL. So what we'll do now is we'll put another button, and that will be okay. I'll just need this full row. Okay, copy it over here. Instead of update it will be delete. And info it will be, sorry, it is int. These are the bootstrap classes, and what I'll need to change will be delete user. So once I done this, I'll get both the buttons over here. So now if you click on this, it says that page not found. So we'll create first we'll create a URL for this. So we'll go into URLs, already different. So what we'll do, we'll copy the syntax and create two URLs. So in this it will be update user slash the, since in order to get the user name from the send, we have to take the primary key. So just put in primary key and just use as the class name. So URL, this will be update, maybe use I'll be using the class based view, so I'll use it as underscore. You people will know this, so I won't go deep into this.
In the class name, we use a capital letter first, so I'm using D as capital. So here it will be delete user.
So once the URLs are done, so what it says is there are display.views does not have the attribute update user. This is because we have not created any views in this. So what we'll do is I want to use the inbuilt views of Django. In order to use Django's inbuilt views, I need to import the views from Django. So what I'll do is just comment something update. What you guys can do is just go into Django's official documentation. How to do this? Django update view. You can refer this. So Django dot I want this both. So what I'll do is I'll copy just the one and paste it. So from okay, so how to use that? So what we have to do is just have to create the class which you already specified over here. So this was the update user. So I'll just copy that, and inside that I will be using the update view. Okay, so inside update view we need two fields. That is a model. So model, I'll get it from the top model dot. There's only one model, that is users, so I'll just paste that users. Okay, next thing what I have to specify is the fields which we will be allowing him to edit. So I have altogether 4 fields, that is user ID, name, phone number and email. User ID is primary, so I cannot change that. So what I'll do is I'll take name, phone number and email. So what you guys have to do is just copy this, that is name,
phone number, make sure you type the spellings properly, and the email. Okay, so once this is done,
what I'll do is I'll create the delete view over here as well. So I'll just type in delete user, and this will be delete view. Okay, so in delete view, two most important fields will be, one is the model, obviously. Okay, so next thing will be the success URL. So once this is deleted, you need to go back to a certain page, right? So what we'll do is you'll have to type in success underscore URL and specify the URL. It's not like this. It will be okay. Since I want to use a success URL, I want to use reverse lazy. Okay, so how to use that? Just go on top and import reverse lazy, that is from Django dot URLs, import reverse underscore lazy. Okay, so I'll just copy this, and I want this reverse lazy to take I want after deleting to take it to the index page. So in URL I already have one index, so I'll take it to the index. Okay, so once this is done, let's try to run and see what happens. Okay, so I click on update. It says template does not exist, because we want to create a template name user underscore form. Okay, so that we can specify where to, we can just make a HTML template. So what I'll do is I'll create a new file, users form.html. You can copy this, or it's like how it is. The update form will start from the model name underscore the form. This is the basic format what Django uses. Okay, so I want the same thing. So what I'll do is I'll just copy the index, paste it in order to save time. In order to update, we need a form. Okay, so Django will provide a form embed. So we just have to specify. We just have to create a form actually.
So the post class, I use some booster classes, that is form control, and then use CSRF token. This is the most important. You won't be able to edit the form without CSRF token. Okay, and then this is the form. In order to submit the form, we need a button. Okay, so type equal to submit, that's it, and close the form over. Once this is done, just take some spaces so that. Okay.
Looks good. Let's try. Let's see. So I had selected only one entry which is there. What we'll do is we'll edit something. We'll do it okay. So I'll submit this. Okay. Now what it says is improperly configured at update user fee. No URL to read it. Either provide a URL or define a get absolute URL. So in order to define this, what we'll have to do is we have to go in models. Users table. I have to define a function so that it takes me to a page. It takes self and okay. So here I needed to use same as reverse lazy. I have to use something called as reverse. So I already imported that here. So from Django to URLs import reverse. So what I do is return. So when this is called, I'll return reverse. And similar to delete, I'll take this also to index. Okay. So now let's try it again. See. So it's already edited. Okay. So update function is working fine. Yes. Okay. Let's create some more users. Let's create some more users. I'll try and okay, email ID. Forget about that. Okay, let's save it. So I have two entries. So yes, it's already showing me two entries. So I'll edit this. Just and submit. So once that is done, what I'll do is I'll continue the delete function. So let's try the delete one. I want to delete a old entry. So if you create entry, it says template does not exist. Similar to the update one, we need to create a template for the delete button as well. Okay. So once that is done, see, we need, this is confirm underscore delete form. So what we have to do is we just have to ask them if he is sure he wants to delete it. So I'll put an label, maybe some alert. I'll copy some alert from here. This looks good. Second one, danger. Yeah. Okay, so this should be confirm delete. Yeah, just refresh it. So it will ask me confirm delete. If I submit, the record is deleted. So let's try it again. Let's see the database. Okay, if you refresh it, you won't see. So what I'll do is I'll create some new, create some yeah, I'll save this. I'll get one more entry. So I'll delete, maybe update this one. Done. I want to delete this. Confirm delete. It's gone. So that was it for this video. If you want to ask me anything, you can just mail me or put in your comments down. I'll try to answer to all the comments. Okay, thank you.